Hello loves, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So today guys, I have something to share with you guys. So I have this, I got this from YouTube. So YouTube sent this to me for reaching 100,000 subscribers. Guys, I am so happy. In fact, as at the time of this video, we are already 116,000 subscribers. My goodness, I am just so excited. So I got this, and guess what, I was very happy, and out of excitement I already started opening. Like, I have already put my scissors to cut. We tailors now, you're always with scissors ready to cut. But I told myself, no, it is not right. I got here because of you, so I had to share this with you. That is why I am here today, to present this to you all and to say a very big thank you, and also to give you some words of encouragement. Okay, so like I said, I have already started opening it. I have cut open the seal. Now let's see what we have inside. Okay, so let's continue the unboxing together. Like, I must do this with you. I can't just put you away or out of this. You have to be part of it now. If you hadn't hit that subscribe button, if you hadn't made this happen, I wouldn't have gotten it. So we are here today just because you subscribe. And guys, I'm so happy. I am very grateful for the love you all shown to me, for the love you show to me, for the encouragement, for liking what I do. So I say thank you to you all. Okay, so I think it is like this. So I've been seeing people receive this, and like, I couldn't wait to get mine. I couldn't wait for this thing to get to me. So when I received this gift, this award, I was so excited. I was jumping everywhere, and a friend of mine asked me that, why am I this excited? That did they put money inside? Is there money inside the award? Like, she knows it's just an award, like normal award people receive for excellence and all that, award of excellence. So she was like, is it not just an award? Did they put money? I said, babe, everything is not all about money. Like, there are things in life that you just have to celebrate, you have to be grateful for, you have to appreciate, and that is why I'm happy. I am excited, guys, because I put in lots of hard work to get here. I am excited because you all showed me love by subscribing to my channel. You loved what I was doing, you love what I'm still doing, and that is why you subscribe. So it is enough reason for me to be happy. It is enough reason for me to be excited, guys. Just imagine. Oh my goodness, just look at what we have here. You can see this. Wow, this is so beautiful. Like, I have waited for this for a long time. Like, I actually wanted to hold this in my hand with the inscription on it, McVivi Creations. Oh Jesus, God, thank you so much for making this happen. I'm very grateful to you all for your love, for your support. So guys, this belongs to all of us. Thank you so much for making this happen. I dedicate this to God Almighty, and I say thank you to you all as well. God is wonderful. So I want to also use this opportunity to like encourage you that in anything you're doing in life, just keep pushing. Even though you are not seeing immediate results, just keep pushing. I use myself as an example. Okay, I am a teacher, a certified teacher. I love to teach, and I also have love for fashion. Yes, I have love for fashion. I love to sew and do a lot of things with my hands, and that is why I actually came on YouTube, so that I can teach sewing. I can teach what I love doing. So initially, when I started, by the time I post videos and I don't get views, I was almost like discouraged, but I got encouragement from my family members, and I say thank you to you all too, because I know you are watching. My lovely husband, my children, my siblings, my parents, everybody contributed, including you all my subscribers. You made this happen. You made this channel grow to the level it is today. Yes, I'm so grateful. So like I said, I encourage you in anything aspect of life, in anything you're doing at all, in all your endeavors, just keep pushing. Don't give up. No matter the result you're getting, if you're not getting the expected results initially, just keep going, just keep pushing. So by the time I post videos, I don't get this view, In fact, the only people I know that watched my video initially, that when I started, were my siblings, my husband and my parents. Like, I know I post my videos, guys, I've uploaded a video, please watch, support me and all that. My siblings will just put on their laptop, their phone, and they'll be playing my videos. Even those that are not interested in sewing, you just see them watching my videos just to encourage me. So you can see. And the very first tripod I started this channel with, like the tripod I was using to hold my phone, which even up till now I'm still using to hold my phone to video. That tripod I made it myself. So what point am I trying to make here? That you don't have to have it all in life to start that journey or to start whatever you want to start in life. Just start with whatever you have. Okay, so it wasn't as if I couldn't afford a tripod. I could at that time, but because I love doing things with my hands, because I love making things, I love creating things, I am a DIY lover, so I made that tripod. So I just looked at the picture of a tripod. I saw it was something that just had to stand and hold your phone or hold your camera. So I went straight into the plumbing shop. I got some PVC pipes, as you can see, and the stand, you can see there is a fan stand. So I had this spoiled fan. I converted it to the stand for my tripod. So my husband actually helped me seriously in constructing this when I was doing it. So initially I just did something that was just static. It couldn't like rotate. But my husband brought in the idea that, you're making a tripod for videoing, you have to make it in such a way that you can position it whichever way you want to. Oh my goodness, God bless you, my sweet husband. I know you're watching. So he helped me. We came up with this. So you can see this tripod, I can position it whichever way I want to position it. I can make it stand, I can raise it to whatever level I want it to be. Okay, so why am I actually telling you this? Is to encourage you that in life you don't have to have it all to start the journey or to start whatever you want to start. Whatever goal you have, start with whatever you have. Start with whatever that is available for you. If it's a business you want to start and you're looking for capital, whatever little money or capital you have, actually start with it. Okay, and start with it, prayerfully, and God will see you through along the way. That is how it actually happened on this channel. So whatever you're doing, be it for business, hobby, or whatever, I know that everybody expects positive results if you're doing anything, even if it's hobby. So by the time I came on YouTube, I posted initially, there were no views, no like, no support. I almost gave up, but I kept pushing because I loved what I was doing. Actually, I love the fact that I am actually doing what I love, like sewing and all that. So that encouraged me. Then it got to a point where I started getting comment like, wow, I love your videos, wow, you can teach, and that pushed me even more to keep doing it. Okay, so I got comments. A lot of people commented that they love the way I teach. A lot commented that my videos had helped them a lot, and I even got a comment from someone that said my videos helped her to become the best designer and all that in her place. So guys, I like me, look, pour me like this, like, because sometimes even when I give out these videos, I will be asking myself, are you sure this is okay? Like, have I actually taught well? And that is why some of you said I keep repeating myself. So I'm actually a teacher, and I taught children. So you know what it is when you teach children, you have to like repeat yourself over and over again for them to understand. You want to like keep saying that thing because they are kids, so you want it to sink right into their head. So I actually brought that into my sewing tutorials, and when I'm teaching, I keep saying that thing because I just feel I want somebody to understand what I'm giving or what I'm teaching. So guys, bear with me whenever you see those repetitions. It's not like the deliberate action or something. It's just the zeal in me to impact knowledge. So that is how it came about. So guys, I'm grateful and I'm so happy. We have a note here. Yes, we have a note here, so we'll read it together. I've always seen people read this. Remember, I told you I actually waited for this. Like when I see people, I say, oh God, where will I get there? And behold, we are here today. So let's see what we have here. I don't know if this is the same thing that others have been reading, because looking at it, I don't know, but let's read it to then understand. Some 100,000 subscribers. Okay, that's how it started. Just how far you've come. If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That is far. And it was. And it's why today we are so excited to celebrate your special YouTube journey with you. Not only have you brought a unique voice and style to the world, you've also created valuable connections and built a community along the way. So you can see why I'm actually happy. Yes, guys, like if this is a school, it means I have over 100,000 students. If this is a community, yes, which it is, so it means I have over 100,000 people in my community. So guys, you see why I need to be so excited. Thank you all and God bless you richly. So let's continue reading. In that spirit, YouTube is proud to present you with the Silver Creator Award, which celebrates your hard work and incredible achievements. Wow. Congratulations on this amazing milestone. Just one many that we hope we follow in future. After all, there are countless others out there who have yet to discover your passion and dedication. Whether they come to your channel to learn something new or just for a laugh, a whole new audience is waiting for you to inspire them, just as your growing community continues to inspire you. We can't wait to see what you do next, and we'll be with you every step of the way. Sincerely yours, YouTube. Guys, I'm so glad. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'll have another one here. Yes. Recognize your team. Yeah, I recognize you all because we are a team here, McVivians. You are all the McVivians, and I love you so much. So we have our silver play card. So we are heading now for the gold play card. Guys, we'll get there by God's grace. We'll get there. Just keep supporting me, keep liking my videos, keep sharing, and just keep coming back. And on my part, I will continue to pray for you all. May God continue to bless you all richly. May God continue to bless the works of your hands. May God continue to elevate you in every aspect of your lives. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I can't thank you all enough. I'm so grateful. And from the bottom of my heart, I say I love you all. I love you so much. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. God bless you all. Remain blessed, my lovely people.